Hello, this is Carly Lowe, University Archivist. I'm here to show you how to search the collection of digitized Latore yearbooks in San Jose State's digital collections. This is part 3 of this 3-part tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how to save a yearbook page for future reference. In video 2, I found some pages with information I want to save. I'm noting that the spread I want is on pages 96 and 97, but I also know that sometimes the numbering of the pages in this book view is off by a few numbers, so I'm just keeping that in mind as I search for these pages. At the top of the page, I click on the tab that says Pages. Then I try to jump to the right page of results, which is a bit of a guessing game, but there are about 10 yearbook pages per page of results, so I'm jumping to page 9 of the results. Aha! It turns out the pages I actually want looks like 92. And 91. But there are also more pages on track that I didn't see before that I might want to grab as well. Here. I'll start with page 91. I click on it, and then I can right-click to save the image into my research folder. I'm on a PC. If you're using a Mac, a 2-finger click or holding down Control during a click should give you the same result. After saving the image, I can use the back button to return to the pages, get the next one, and keep saving. Once I have all of the pages I want, I can click on View to go back to the book view. The pages I downloaded give me the names of athletes I can do more research on, as well as images I can crop down to use in a report or a presentation. If you ever want higher resolution images than what you can download from the site, you can contact an archivist at special.collections@sjsu.edu. When you use archival items in your research, you will need to cite them, just like you cite any other resource. For more information on citing archival resources, please see our Special Collections and Archives Research Guide. Remember, all research involves trial and error, and archivists are here to help you find the resources you need. You can reach out to us at special.collections@sjsu.edu.